The bearing capacity is lower than expected at this depth.
The shear strength graph confirms it. We should test again over there.
The readings here suggest we have a dense layer right around 1.5 meters.
That aligns with the previous borehole logs. We should confirm the plastic.
All right, the next piling location is marked right here. Keep the pace steady.
All right, take the tension off, we're seated. All right, bring it up slow. We're hitting the mark now. That's good, hold it there. Keep that vibrator moving, we have a lot of flow.
Roger that, making sure it's fully submerged.
All right, start pulling the hose back slowly now.
The readings look optimal, engineer. 92% strength achieved.
Confirmed. The early strength gain is exactly what we needed.
Bring it up easy. East side, watch your spacing. We're lifting in 90 seconds. Make sure that pour is level. Bring it up easy. East side, watch your spacing. We're lifting in 90 seconds. Make sure that pour is level. Slow it down, it's almost full. Roger that, easing off the pressure.
Make sure that aligns perfectly with the rebar cage.
Roger that. Bringing it down slowly now. We are almost there.
Watch the alignment on that side.
Got it, hold it steady while I tighten this clamp. Keep it moving to the left there. Make sure it's level. All right, slow it down just a touch. Backing off now.
Temperature-controlled concrete prevents cracking under extreme heat. Y-shaped floor plan enhances stability against wind.
We need more rebar on level 7. Watch the welding below.
Okay, crane approaching, slow and steady. Ensure the load is balanced before the lift.
A little higher on your side.
Okay, holding it steady now.
Perfect, drill it in.
Reflective glass panels reduce solar heat gain.
That's it. We just broke the record. Keep it coming.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the edge. Okay, hold it there.
How are the tolerances looking on this section?
They're within spec, but watch the shear plates during the lift.
Watch the tension on line 3. Clearance is good on this side. Keep going up. All right, it's locked in.
We did it!
We need that frame secured by lunch. Make sure the measurements match the blueprints exactly.
Experience integrated luxury, from our stunning hotel lobby to the state-of-the-art office spaces and exclusive residences.
A little to the left, hold it there.
Got it, securing the bolts now.
Lighting systems check complete. Optimal performance across the board.
Confirmed. The energy readings are exactly as projected.
Good. Let's move on to the security protocols.
This junction here does not align with the updated schematics, engineer.
I see that. Check the pressure ratings on the tablet. We cannot sign off on this yet.
Watch the beam coming down. All right, clear the area now. We need more pipes over here.
Good morning. Welcome to the museum. We are so glad you could make it today.
This plaque represents the dedication and hard work that transformed our vision into this magnificent reality. Thank you all.
Maintenance systems activated, ensuring continuous safe operations.
Keep it moving, level that section now.
We need more mix over here.
Halting. Adjusting the intake manifold trajectory here improves the energy efficiency.
Let's cross-reference that with the climate data overlay.
Precision planning minimize delays and risks.
Make sure those harnesses are double-checked before you go up. We maintain a zero-incident policy on this site. The precision layering on the cantilever is flawless. We are looking at a true leap forward in structural integrity.
The data confirms it. Remarkable efficiency.
As you can see, we managed to complete the entire project within the planned financial scope.
That is excellent news. Well done.
Burj Khalifa attracts millions of visitors annually.
Innovation drives vertical urban development globally. Secure the coupling joint. Powering up the servos now.
Connection is stable. Look at that articulation.
If we design the base like this, the wind resistance will be lower. That's brilliant. We could add the solar skin here.
We did it. It's fully operational.
I knew we could. The scale is truly unprecedented.
Skyscraper construction redefined engineering possibilities.
Burj Khalifa dominates world skylines today.
Hold the beam steady at this altitude. We need millimeter precision.
I'm tracking the schematics. We are clear for final placement.
Across the globe, these women are not just dreaming of the future, they are building it, inspiring a new...
Remember, the world is waiting for your unique perspective. Go forth and build the future.
From foundation to spire, perfection achieved.
Bring it down slowly now.
Roger, descending. Almost there.